Okay, so we're going to sew these corner pieces on. Got them lined up, and you do not need to back stitch at all with these. You're just sewing from end to end. And be careful not to stretch and pull them as you sew. The bias strips, where you have a cut on the bias, like the triangle, can stretch very easily and get kind of wonky looking. So be careful with that. So that's the first corner, and I'm just going to lay this out here and make sure I've got my, when I fold it, my print is going the right direction. Make sure I have the right piece, and then I'm going to stitch it again for the second corner. And sew right off the piece. And now the lower left corner. And the last one is the upper left corner. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that for all of my squares, and then I'm going to press them so that the corners stand out like so, and then we'll move on to the next step, which will be trimming up the square, getting rid of all these extra uneven corners and things. We'll see you in the next video.